Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most stunning luxury sedans on the market, the Audi A7. This car is a perfect blend of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it a top choice for those who crave both style and substance. Let's start with the exterior. The Audi A7 features a bold, aggressive front grille that immediately commands attention. The sleek LED headlights with sharp DRLs give it a futuristic look, while the sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines enhance its sporty appeal. The frameless doors and sloping roofline create a coupe-like silhouette, adding to the car's dynamic presence. And let's not forget about the rear. A signature LED light bar runs across the width of the car, making it stand out at night. Moving to the interior, Audi has crafted a cabin that exudes luxury and sophistication. High-quality materials, premium leather seats, and a minimalist dashboard design make the A7's interior feel like a first-class lounge. The dual touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrates controls for navigation, media, and climate settings, ensuring a smooth and intuitive user experience. The fully digital Audi Virtual Cockpit provides a customizable driver display, giving you all the essential information right at your fingertips. Under the hood, the Audi A7 is powered by a range of engine options, including a turbocharged V6 that delivers an exhilarating performance. With quattro all-wheel drive and an advanced suspension system, the A7 offers a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling sharp corners, this car delivers a smooth yet thrilling driving experience. The mild hybrid system further enhances efficiency, ensuring you get the best of both worlds, power and fuel economy. Technology is another area where the Audi A7 shines. From adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to a 360-degree camera and self-parking system, this car is packed with advanced driver assistance features. The Bang & Olufsen premium sound system takes the in-car audio experience to another level, making every drive feel like a concert on wheels. When it comes to practicality, the A7 doesn't disappoint. The fastback design means you get a spacious trunk, making it more versatile than a traditional sedan. Rear passengers also enjoy ample legroom and comfort, ensuring a luxurious ride for everyone on board. So, is the Audi A7 the perfect luxury sedan? With its stunning design, high-tech features, and powerful performance, it's certainly one of the best in its class. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the Audi A7 over its rivals? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more exciting car content. See you in the next one.